too. Hey, you know what? They're all the way from Georgia. They have just been dancing their little tushes off right now, okay? So we're going to go over against this red curtain right now, guys, real quick, tall in back and short in the front, and Minnie right in the middle. We're going to do a really nice picture.